In this video we will talk about types of hair loss treatment available to sufferers. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. The hair loss treatments outlined here cannot provide definitive cures for all hair loss conditions, but they do represent regimes that many sufferers have found useful. In other words, they are examples of potential solutions that many patients have chosen after honestly assessing the causes of their hair loss together with their expectations. This article will focus on 4 basic approaches. Number 1. A drugs-based approach for those who don't mind taking strong medications. Number 2. A commercial product approach for those who prefer a non-drug solution, but who still want a treatment that has a track record. Number 3. A natural remedy approach for those who prefer to follow the natural route. Number 4. A nutritional approach for those who wish to adopt a more holistic perspective. It remains a fact that only 2 hair loss treatments have been approved by the FDA, and both can be classed as strong drug-based medications. Propecia, finasteride, is the treatment of choice for many men. With good reason it tends to work. It is a powerful drug that inhibits the formation of DHT in the system, eventually to a level that is sufficiently low to encourage a normal growth cycle. Rogaine, minoxidil, acts differently in that it stimulates hair growth in both men and women by overriding the prevailing hair loss symptoms. These drugs can be used either on their own or in combination. Women should seek professional medical advice before using Propecia. The world of commercial hair loss products is much less clear-cut, and it is here that many scamsters ply their trade to rip off unsuspecting customers. The best advice I can give here is research, and more research. Many useful products are available on the market, but none have been approved by the FDA. Probably the best, and certainly most popular, commercially available products are those containing natural ingredients that have been shown in field trials to reduce hair loss and encourage regrowth. You can find out more about these products by visiting the site listed at the end of this article. Increasingly, people are turning to natural hair loss remedies as they seek to combat thinning hair. This has an obvious appeal for many sufferers, and there is growing evidence to support the view that some natural remedies may be effective in curtailing hair loss. The most popular ingredients of natural hair loss treatments include ginkgo biloba, green tea, hishu wu, pygeum, saw palmetto and stinging nettle. Each of these is described in more detail in a supplementary article entitled Herbal Remedies That Offer Hope. It is becoming increasingly evident that poor nutrition and modern lifestyles can have a negative impact on health, and hair loss is no exception. At the most basic level, improved nutrition can minimize shedding and support other treatments that encourage regrowth. This can be achieved by eating adequate amounts of protein, eating appropriate levels of useful carbohydrates, achieving a healthy balance of dietary fats. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.